So in 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher, there's major conflict here.
And
One of the main antagonists, I would say, Mrs. Pierce, also known as Fierce,
is the girlfriend of
the main character's dad.
of Haley's dad. And
So this is major conflict because I think
it's Pierce, the history teacher, that was really mean to do.
yeah, I mean, this is a real big point in the book because, I mean, he hates her already. She already is, saying she might make him do school in August and give him a ton of detentions and stuff. And now it's his best friend's father's girlfriend. Pretty crazy.
It's very, it was built up in the book like we never saw the girlfriend until right now.
And Haley's always said blah blah blah, she's so bad, blah 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 blah.
Even though she's never met her because she doesn't want to. And so she finally met her, and they realized it's a teacher.
Who is the size of a small fourth grader.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what do you have to say about it?
And that is very conflicting.
Yeah, I mean, this is a major conflict.
It is
We made this a milestone.
It's very when it's something it reminds me of a movie when it's just building up, but you have no idea who
Yeah, it's like that
is.
Mountain thing where it goes. I like the storyline thing where it goes.
It's
like this.
And then
this,
you have no idea.
This. Right there, that summit.
So, it is a big shocker to us because we never expect that.
I would have guessed.
I would have never really guessed that.
So I say that wraps up our major conflict and
Very
101
major
ways
shocker.
to bug your teacher. And that's all.